You live very near school. Do you walk to school every day?
No, I don't.
Oh, do you ride your bike to school?
No, I don't.
How do you go to school then?
On my skateboard.
Look and listen.
Do you walk to school?
No, I don't.
How do you go to school?
On my skateboard.
Does she walk to school?
No, she doesn't.
How does she go to school?
On her skateboard.
Now it's your turn. Listen and answer. Look at the boy. Does he walk to school? That's right. No, he doesn't. Look at the girl. Does she ride her bike to school? That's right. Yes, she does. Look at the boy. How does he go to school? That's right. He walks to school. How do you go to school? Well done!
Yay!
Dig, 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 diggery bones. He works under rocks and stones, studying the past, archaeology, to understand our history. Dig, 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 diggery bones. He works under rocks and stones.
Sauropodus, the biggest dinosaur. This is the last neck bone.
Wow! It's almost 30 meters long.
How are your classes going in the School of Archaeology, Diggory?
Fine, thanks, Dad. I'm teaching the history of language. My students are learning about the Rosetta Stone.
Oh. Ah, the Rosetta Stone. It helped us to understand ancient languages.
I'm also working on the Bologna Stone. It's an important new computer program.
Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
It's okay, Dad. It's my phone.
Oh.
Hello, Emily.
Dad, come quickly. Somebody went into your classroom last night and took your computer.
No! The Baloney Stone programme was on it.